Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with a new thing that is Accenture on campus placement and this video on communication round which is for 4.5 to 6.5 LPA. The one who are shortlisted for communication round or the one who qualified in coding round are eligible for this communication round. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and share the video. If you are already a subscriber, please hit a like. In this video we are going to see the instructions and the issues faced in communication round and the pattern and the model questions which were asked. Okay, now let us going into the video. The Accenture communication round has this test has multiple parts. In each part you will perform a different task. Okay, first one, sections. It is based upon sections. You will get these sections A B C D E F, and then reading section has 8 questions, repeat has 16, and it has a questions and you have to give a short answers in C section, and sentence builds and storytellings and open questions. Okay, these are the sections you are going to face. If you are ready to the exam, you should click on next. Okay, if you are ready to start the exam, please click the next. You will get, then you will get the reading section. Okay, instructions to be followed in communication round are: you should have a webcam and microphone. You should use the earphones, that is wired earphones, and Bluetooth earphones are restricted, and Chrome should be in the new version. Okay, stable internet connection should be there, and ensure you are in a room which does not have any disturbances and external noise, and ensure you have a power supply and uninterrupted data. During the assignment time, you must be visible in camera and are not interrupted to take any breaks, and assessment must be taken in one go and mandatorily. Okay, in this communication round, section A is the reading. You will give they will give the 8 these questions, and they will ask you to read the sentence. See, first they will show you a demo. That means in order to read the fourth question, they will give an voice. I tend to forget to water the office plants. You should pronounce very particularly. See, your communication round will be evaluated by the AI. That is, AI will see your pronunciation and flow of the sentence and the things how you are dealing with the sentences. So you should be very crucial, and you should be very particular while reading the sentences. Okay, that is the thing with the section A. You should read the given one. They will ask you to read the third sentence, then you should read the third sentence. Okay, if they ask you to read 7 sentence, you should read the 7 sentence, like a friend invited me to a concert this weekend. Okay, you should read in that way. Okay, you will get 8 sentences. You should read as they suggest you to read. Yeah, then after the section A, you are going to the section B. In this section B, you should repeat. Okay, you will get a voice like, he didn't realize how late it was. Then it is the sample one. They will first give you a demo how to do, then you have to repeat that. Okay, he did not realize how late it was. Okay, like this you will get, you are going to hear a voice, then you should repeat that. Please repeat every sentence that you hear. Okay, you will get 16, then perform well. See, if you are forgetting any of the sentence, or if you cannot frame the exact sentence, don't lag the sentence. Continue whatever you are getting in your flow, because your communication test is evaluated by AI, and it will check your pronunciation and your confidence and your sentence building. Okay, so if you are going to match what 2 or 3 words which you heard in the sentence, you should frame with those 3 or 4 words, and you should speak out, because the AI will match the given sentence and your sentence, and two or three words will be matched, right? So you should go with the flow, but do not lag behind. If you could not get with that sentence, please put your own sentence but use the listened words, okay? But don't be calm, because if you are becoming if you are not giving your voice, then AI will automatically move to the another question, so it won't wait for you. So you should give the sentence which is there in your mind. At least you can match two or three words which is given the sentence, okay? In this way the section B will be. Then section C is the short questions. Now please just give a sample answer for these questions. Like you will get, would you get water from the newspaper or bottle? Of course it is bottle. So you should give very short answer from the bottle, okay, or a bottle, okay? In this way you should answer these questions, okay? Yeah, this also you will get a voice, not the sentence. You will get like this voice, and you should listen the voice, and you should repeat the answer, okay? You should give an answer in very short format, okay? This all is evaluated by AI, so don't panic. See, listen the question very carefully and give the exact answer, okay, for the question, so that it will match the things, okay, and it will score your exam. That is the thing with the third section. And the section D is sentence buildings. Please arrange the word groups to form a sentence. It will give like I apple ate, like it will give the sentence for you, I apple ate. Then how you should frame the sentence, I ate apple, or I ate an apple, okay? It will give a jumbled sentence, and you should rearrange the words into a sentence, and you should tell, okay? If you couldn't catch up with that sentence, frame any of the sentence with those words, okay? But don't be calm, okay? So that even one or two words will be matched with the probability, okay? That is the thing with section D. And section E is storytelling. You will hear a brief story. You will have 30 seconds to retell it. Try to retell as much as a story you can, and including the situations, characters, actions, scenarios, and the ending, okay? The story will be very easy to tell. See, if it is like Ramu Rahul went to the park and they ate ice cream and they enjoyed and they came back to home. In that way the story will be. See, if you could know that that two friends are there, they went to somewhere park and they enjoyed, they ate ice cream and they came back. You can tell the moral of the story, or the things, the who are the characters, what are the situations, what are the actions, and ending, okay? Remember the story. No, do not put your mind away from the exam. Listen carefully to the story and repeat the story as much as you can, okay? That is the thing with the storytelling. Then section F, that is open ended question. You will hear a question and have 40 seconds to provide your answer. The question will be played twice, okay? Listen carefully and answer the question. These questions will be like, same. I could able to gather these three questions, maximum these are repeating, okay? While visiting a new place, would you prefer exploring on your own, or you prefer a guide? You will get this question twice. Then you should listen that, and you should give your point of view to that question, okay? 40 seconds will be there, okay? And another question might be, if you have a chance, would you prefer living in large town or a small village? Okay, this is the question few of members got. You will get two questions, right? In the section F you will get two questions and 40 seconds. And question is repeated twice. You should listen it and answer it, okay? And another question is, nowadays the cooking is done in a fraction of minutes. Do you think it affects the family bond? Okay, Prepare well before the exam. Have practice sections, okay? Practice in the some of the mock tests, okay? Do's: use wired earphones, prepare some practice mock tests, and there are only three chances. Do well and avoid background noise. Only three chances. If you couldn't do well in first chance, you can retake the exam and you will get a mail and you can do well in the next chance, okay? They are the only three chances. And at last, in the communication round, you should get like this: thanks for attending the test, okay? It is now safe to close and navigate away the from the current window. You should get like this after your communication round. If not, you will get in this way: the system could not score your test submission, okay? This is due to the poor pronunciation and the quality of the microphone and too much background noise. Then you should prefer this way: request for the retest. Then you should take the retest. If the problem with your earphones, try exam without earphones or change laptop as well as the earphones. There are only three chances, so avoid background noise maximum. If you are getting this error, try to change your laptop and earphones, okay? That is the thing with the communication round Accenture. If you feel this video is informative, please hit a like and share the video. If you are already a subscriber, please hit a like. Thank you.